In this session, we are going to be discuss first how we can able to create the data frame from dictionary of series. From dictionary of series, creation of data frame from dictionary of series. See, first we are going to be take like libraries. We are going to be take. We have imported the libraries. Now we are going to be create the indexes, or first we are going to be create the dictionary. D1 is the dictionary. So where we'll be taking we'll create the series first. S1. S1 is the series. PD.series, where we'll be having the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I'll be taking the index as A, B, C, D, E as index. This is one series. This is one series. Next, another series I'll be taking here. Now, here the values will be like this. One more series object I am going to create. We'll be taking the same values here. Now, with this series, we have to create the dictionary. DT1 is the dictionary. DT1 is the dictionary I'll be creating. See, first one, this is the key, and I'm going to be give the value as S1. For second, as a key, value I'm giving as S2. Third, value I'm giving as S3. Print DT1. It is 45. Till we didn't given only. Yeah, sorry. Now, this is a dictionary. Just we have displayed the dictionary. Now, with the help of this dictionary, we need to create the data frame. With the help of this dictionary, we need to create the data frame. See, I'm going to be remove this. DF1 is a data frame. pd dot data frame dt1, and I'm going to be print the df1 data frame. Like this, we are getting this value df1. So whatever it may be, the dictionary keys we have, that we are going to be get as a columns, first, second, third, and this value we are going to be get as a b c d e. That is the indexes of each series we are going to be get as index. See, now this is one way we can able to write, or else directly the dictionary we can able to create like this. So I have taken first, and the series what we have to create, that I can take directly as a key here. That I can take directly as a key here. And one more, key. So this is one more dictionary. Like this, we can able to create, one more key values. And with the help of this, directly we can able to create the data frame. This is another way. dt2, sorry. Yeah, we got the same thing. So anyway, we can able to follow this. Anyway, we can able to follow this. Just observe how we can able to create the series of dictionary, the series of dictionary for creating the data frames.
నాకు డౌట్.
Next, operations and rows and columns in data frame. So first operation what we are going to see here is adding a new column to a data frame. Adding a new column to the data frame. How we can able to add a new column to the existing data frame? Now I'll be creating first, second, third is the columns we have. I would like to give df2 here. Fourth, there is a 4 as a column name. We are going to be provide the values here. We are going to be provide the values here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 rows we have. We are going to be create this. After creating this, if I'm seeing this, we'll be getting the output like this. If suppose while we are creating, while we are creating just we are passing some values instead of all the values, we'll be getting the error. At least we need to provide NaN. So that is numpy array related, not a number. Because of that, we need to import numpy as np. Will print df2. There is a values we are going to be get with data frame after adding columns to the existing data frame. Now adding a new row to a data frame. Adding a new row to a data frame. See how we can able to get it. Adding a new row to the data frame. We are going to be use this LOC method for adding the new row. A, B, C, D, E we have already. Now we will create the F row. df2 .loc. I'll be creating a F row and we need to pass the values in the form of a list. We need to pass the values in the form of a list. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 columns we have. So 5 rows we have passed here. Now we are going to be print df2. We'll be getting the values. If you observe here, we'll be getting the last row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can able to add the new rows and as well as columns to the existing data frame.